Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about Linux environment variable. First of all, we will see what is Linux environment variable. Linux environment variable helps to define shell in proper manner. Many programs and scripts use environment variable to obtain system information and store temporary data and configuration information. We will see it later by giving example. The bash shell uses a feature called environment variable to store information about the shell session and working environments. This feature allows us to store data in memory that can be accessed by any program or script. Okay. There are two types of environment variable in bash shell. One is global variable and another one is local variable. Now we will see what is global variable. Global environment are visible from the shell session and any SysAdmBoy shell session. SysAdmBoy shell session means when we open a terminal. After that, I'm showing you. This is the terminal. When I type bash, then it is the SysAdmBoy shell. I can exit from this SysAdmBoy shell. Okay. Local variables are available only in the shell and creates global variable. Means if we want to create global variable from local variable, then local variables is necessary to create global variable. This makes global variable useful in application and create child subshell which require parent shell information. To see the global variable, we use print env command. Print env command. Here all the global variable you can see. Here hostname equal to server01.example.com, term xterm, shell is /bin/bash. Here home is /root, etc. We can see individual variable by typing print env command, but we cannot see this by typing the command env. We can also use echo command. Here echo, if I want to see the print in the home environment variable, then we will use the $sign here, then type home, then it will show the /root home folder. $sign passes command line parameter here. Okay. Global variables are also available to any processor of subshell. Means if I SysAdmBoy to child shell, then it will be same echo /home. The Okay. Now come to local variable. Local variable, as the name implies, local variable, as the name implies, can be seen only in the local process in which they are defined. Even though it is local, they are just as important as global variable. To see the local variable, we use the set command, set. Here is the local variable. Okay. All the local variable comes. Okay. Now we will see setting local user defined variables. Okay. We can assign either a numeric or a string variable. Let's clear this. We can assign either numeric or string variable to an environment variable by assigning the variable to a value using the equal sign. Like if I type echo, then value 1, it's not showing anything. If I set one value 1 equal to hello, okay, then I can see the value by typing echo value 1. Hello is coming. If I want to set the value hello world, value 1 equal to hello world, then dash world command not found means without quotation. If without quotation, the bash shell assumes that the world is another command. That's why we need to use the quotation hello world. Now if I use echo command, then hello 1, then hello world comes up. It is also very important that we no need to use any space between variable name, the equal sign, and the value. Just like that, value 1. If I give here space, then equal, then space hello, it will show error message because it doesn't support the space between variable name, the equal sign and the value. If I type here value 1 equal to hello world, hello, then it isn't showing any error messages. Value 1 hello. Okay, if I go to the sharpened child process bash, then echo where 1, it is not showing anything. Oh no, sorry, I missed $sign here. Hello. In this type we will assign, let's see the setting global variable environment variable. Here setting global environment variable. Okay, let's see with example. Just clear this screen. Global environment variables are visible from any child process created by parent process. Okay, this is we create one global variable from local variable by using export command. We will see now. Variable 1 equal to I am global variable. Okay, then echo where. Okay, if I export variable, I have exported the variable called var. If I sharpen to child process, then am I able to see the value? Echo variable. It's showing as we have successfully exported the variable var. If I exit from here, then echo $var is showing. In this type we will set global variable from local variable by using export command. If I choose to sharpen child process, if I change the variable var equal to global. Okay, I have set the variable value var equal to global. Then we will check it from parent shell. Echo var. It's not changing. Means changing a global environment variable within a child shell doesn't affect the variable in the parent shell. If I want to remove the global environment variable, then we need to use unset, then variable. If I type here echo, not showing anything. That's all about the video of Linux environment variable. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like my video, then please like my video. And if you have any queries, please feel free to comment below. Thank you.